the Tertill Weed Bot. This weed bot is perfect for any of your gardening and your weeding needs. It actually runs on solar energy. It's non-battery operated or power source. You put this thing in your weeds, in your garden, and it kills the weeds for you. All you have to do is put these little metal barricades up where you don't want weeded, and this thing will literally weed all your weed problems. Will be gone. So no more Roundup, no more any pulling weeds. Just buy this thing called Tertill. So let's see what this thing's got.